Hi guys, you're welcome. This video is showing us a full screen replacement procedure for a laptop. So this is a laptop with a bad screen and about to replace the screen, so follow along. So the first step is to remove the frame. Now the frame is a plastic covering that covers the screen of the laptop. So as you can see, I'm removing the frame. Then once it is removed, you hold on, then you remove the battery of the system. Now we have to remove the battery because once the battery is left inside and you remove the screen, it could cause a breach and spoil the motherboard of the screen. So you can see it by removing the screws behind the screws under the laptop. So these screws are holding firm the back casing. So remove the screws because this is a laptop that has an internal battery. The battery is inside the laptop. This is a HP EliteBook 840G3. Yes. So remove the screws. Okay, so once the screws are removed, then the next step is to pull out the back cover. Then you can see the battery. That's the battery. There's also a screw holding the battery, so we also unscrew the battery, then pull out the battery. Yes, so with this there's no direct power on the laptop, so we can also put the back just firmly. You don't have to screw it back because what we want to do is actually to remove the screen. So once this is done, we can now remove the screen. So that is the screen we can see. There are also some screws holding down the screen of the laptop. As you can see, we are removing the screws also. The screws holding the screen of the laptop. Okay, so once the screws are removed, then there's usually like a tape that fits the screen frame, so we remove that tape, and so with this we can detach the screen. So once we've detached the old screen, then we bring on the new screen. This is the screen we are replacing with. So we'll fit it in back. So the same process that we used to remove, we are repeating it anti-clockwise, you understand? So we are now fitting in the new screen. But once this is done, the next thing to do is, before we put in the battery, we have to use direct power to test the system to be sure that the new screen is working well, that it is fitted properly on the laptop. But right now we are actually screwing it back. We have to fit it in place so that it doesn't fall or it doesn't break off. I trust you understand that. Okay, so once this is done, so we'll plug in power to check if the screen is good or not. So this is what we're doing. Okay, so the system is powered on, and yeah, so we can see that the screen is good. So since this is confirmed, then we're good to go with screwing it back. Okay, so once this is confirmed, then we fit in the frame back the same way we removed before. Now we're fitting in back. So we fit in the frame. So we'll ensure that the frame is well fit in. Then the next thing is to remember we removed the battery before. So we're putting the battery back in place too. Okay, then we screw it in to make it firm. Then we also screw back putting all the screws at the back. So once all the screws are fitted in back, as we're doing here, make sure everything is well fitting. So this laptop is a client brought it in for the screen replacement. So we thought to do a video and show how this is actually done, so that we can see that it's not it's not magic, and it's not something that is overboard. So make sure all the screws are fitting, and once this is done, so we are good to go. But you don't conclude that way. You actually power it on once again to be sure that it's okay, and we can see here that it's good. So we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you watch our other videos. Thanks.